Discord and YouTube are giving away 3 months of free Discord Nitro to you. So first, just go to your YouTube channel. Press on your profile picture in the top right, and select your premium benefits, which I clearly don't have. This is where you can find all your YouTube premium membership benefits, including the Discord Nitro benefit. But the article says that it's only for the people in the US, Canada, UK, France, Germany, Japan and South Korea. And I am not from either of them, which is sad. It's also from October 7th to March 31 next year, so you do have a ton of time. I don't know who's desperate here, YouTube or Discord. Since I can't show you how to claim the Nitro, I will put this article's link in the description as it has step-by-step instructions to claim. Now it's time for the questions you have. Can anyone claim it if I am from one of those countries? Well, you can, if you haven't had Nitro for more than 12 months or if your Discord account is new and you also require your payment method. Can I use VPN? I tried it and it didn't work for me. Is this a scam? Nope, the article on this is mentioned in Discord's official site. I will paste the link in the video's bio, check for yourself. It's not a scam just because you can't claim it. It's not for my country, why do I care? Well, I don't know, you came to my video, who forced you? Go throw your toddler tantrum somewhere else. Most of my audience or viewers are from the US, so it's my job to inform them. If you can't claim your Nitro, not my problem. Anyway, I hope all your questions are answered. So hit that like and subscribe button and get my YouTube video into algorithm so I don't have to find a stupid 9-to-5 desk job. No, I am just kidding. Anyway, I am off to touch the grass. Bye.